Hello students, today we will discuss about the air and atmosphere. This is the second part of this chapter. First topic is what is the importance of air? Air is important for all living organisms. You know very well we need oxygen. From where we get oxygen? From air. You know that plant need carbon dioxide. From where plant get carbon dioxide? From air. It means air is important or essential part of our life. So one by one we will discuss this topic in the detail. See here, first of all, first concept is respiration. What is respiration? I will tell you in the detail what is respiration. Respirations mean taking in oxygen, and that oxygen is transported to all the cells of our body. Then what happens inside the cell? Cell use that oxygen to burn the food, to get the energy or to provide the energy to our body. And then what they produce, what the cell produce? Carbon dioxide. Then that carbon dioxide is reached to the blood, and blood transport this carbon dioxide out of our body with the help of lungs. This process is called respiration. See here, in simple way we can also say that respiration is a process in which energy is released out from the food. Or in simple way you can also say like this: the respiration is the process in which we take in oxygen, and that oxygen is used to burn the food to get energy, and carbon dioxide is released out from our body. It means respiration provides us energy. Next thing is there, reaction of the respiration. Food is burned in the presence of oxygen, then what it gives? Energy. And two waste material are produced here. One is water and one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is breathed out from the nose, and from where water comes out of our body? In the form of urine, or it comes out in the form of sweat. These two are the waste material and one is a useful thing, and this energy is stored in our body in the form of ATP. What is ATP? ATP is the energy currency of the body, or you can say that energy storehouse of our body. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. This is the full form of ATP. This is about the respiration. Next process is combustion. It also takes place in the presence of air. That's why air is important for our life. What is the meaning of combustion? Combustion means to burn anything. Without oxygen, without air, we cannot burn anything. How? See here. It is a chemical process in which a substance combines with oxygen to new substances together with heat and light energy. What they are saying, when we burn anything in the presence of oxygen, what it gives to us? It gives heat and light. What it gives to us? Heat and light. That is useful for any work, for the cooking of food. Number of ways are used by which we can use that energy. First of all, see here, any fuel is there, it is burned in the presence of oxygen. Then what it gives? It gives energy in the form of heat and light. What it produces? It produces waste material also. That waste material is carbon dioxide, and one is water vapor. When we burn any fuel in the presence of oxygen, it gives heat and light energy, and it gives carbon dioxide and water vapor. Next thing is there, maintain of air composition in nature. Why we have to maintain the balance of the air in the nature? You know that more carbon dioxide is also harmful. So there should be a balance of each gas in the nature. Why? And how it will be possible? See here, you know, many plants are there on the earth, many animals are there on the earth. What animals produces? Animals produces carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is used for the plants. Why that carbon dioxide is used for the plant? For the photosynthesis, and plant produce oxygen during the photosynthesis. That oxygen is used by the animals for respiration. You know very well, during respiration, animal produces CO2. That CO2 is used by the plants for photosynthesis, and during photosynthesis, plant produce oxygen. That oxygen is used by the animals for respiration. Like this way, maintain of the gases in the air is continued. Next thing is there, air pollution. What is air pollution? You know very well, in our daily life we run vehicles, we burn number of fuels. When these things are burned, it produces harmful substances. When these harmful substances mix into the air, that causes air pollution. Air pollution arises due to release of harmful substances in the air. Causes. What are the causes of air pollution? First cause is burning of fossil fuel. Second is emission from the vehicles. What is the meaning of emission from the vehicles? When we run the vehicle, you know very well, number of harmful gases come out from the vehicles, that goes to the air and causes air pollution. Next thing is factories and industries. You know very well, in the factories and industry, number of chemicals are used. During the use of chemicals, it produces harmful gases, and that harmful gases causes the air pollution. Now, what is the effect of air pollution? You know very well, due to the air pollution, what happens? Health problems. What kind of health problems occur due to air pollution? Respiratory problems. As the harmful gases go inside our body, it creates problem in our lungs. You know very well, asthma, bronchitis, this kind of disease arises due to air pollution. Next thing is global warming. What is the meaning of global warming? Methane, carbon dioxide, these are the greenhouse gases. As the sunlight comes to the earth, what happens? That gases trap the heat energy and increases the temperature of earth. What is the meaning of global warming? Global warming means increasing the temperature of the earth with the help of greenhouse gases. With the help of greenhouse gases. What are the greenhouse gases? CO2 and methane, CH4. These both are the greenhouse gases. Due to the human activities like we using too much petrol, diesel, that produces CO2. As the CO2 will produce more and more, it will trap more heat energy of the sun. It will trap more heat energy of the sun. Then what it will cause? Global warming. It is happening due to air pollution. Next is acid rain. What is acid rain? When we burn number of fuels like coal, diesel, petrol, it produces sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. As these oxides goes into the air, it produces sulfuric acid and nitric acid. As these nitric acid comes to the earth, it causes rain, acid rain. Next thing is depletion of ozone. What is the depletion of ozone? What is the depletion of ozone? When the harmful gases are released into the air like CFC, as these gases go to the atmosphere, what it causes? Depletion of ozone layer. What is the ozone layer? Ozone layer is spread upside the atmosphere. It prevents the harmful rays of the sun to come down to the earth. That is depletion. That is a function of ozone layer. These are the effects of air pollution. Thanks.